In this video, I'm going to reveal a powerful affiliate marketing hack that can help you earn $500 a day on ClickBank using YouTube without even creating your own videos. Now, ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate platforms out there with tons of high-paying offers. And today, I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to promote these products on YouTube. Now, make sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take, including a little-known trick that I perfected over years of experience in affiliate marketing to ensure you get the best results possible. So if you're excited to learn this incredibly secret, powerful method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. So one of the things I'm going to teach you how to do is create these niche YouTube channels that are very specific on a topic and then post these simple videos where you don't even need to get a lot of views because you're going to be promoting a very popular product. And these videos are so easy to pump out, as you'll see a little bit later, and people will go to the link in your description, and when they click the link and buy, we will start making money even while we're sleeping. So the first step is to go to clickbank.com to find a popular product to promote. Go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account. It's totally free. Now, once you're inside, go to the marketplace and click on health and fitness if you want to use the same type of product that I'm promoting, but it will work in whatever niche you want. Sort results by gravity, high to low, and then whatever the top product is, click promote to get your affiliate link. Put in your affiliate nickname, continue, and then go to the bottom, copy this link here, as again, this is the link we want to promote. So when people go to it, we will make money. Now, the very first step is we want to actually create a YouTube channel just like this. Now, again, whatever niche you're in, it's going to depend on that, but we're just going to do something very similar like this in the health and fitness niche. And so all you have to do is have a Gmail account and then just type in create a YouTube channel on Google and then just go to this tab here and then it will automatically create you a channel. Now, once you do that, we want to actually first create a banner right here. So you can go over to a free site called canva.com, create an account, and once you're inside, we just want to search for YouTube banner, okay? Now, once you search for YouTube banner, it will take you into this site here, and this will allow you to actually choose from all these different templates. Now, some of them say pro, which are you have to pay for them, but a lot of them are free. So you can literally just select one like this, and this is going to add this in automatically. You can see right here, if I zoom in, this will actually be the banner right here. So we just want to tailor this, towards the niche. So where it says, let's dance together, you could say like, let's lose weight. Let's dance together, fast and easy solutions. You just want to add some words that have to do with whatever niche you're actually in. And then some of this you can even just delete here. Okay, so subscribe today is perfect. And then for this image, you can even, leave that, or you can just get rid of it like this and you can actually replace it, or we can just delete it like that. So that's looking pretty good. Now, if we want to add like a weight loss image just to make this a little bit better. Hey, just a quick heads up before we continue. If you're serious about getting paid instantly and want a proven blueprint that runs on autopilot, check out the link below. I've come across this guide and it's a game changer. Now let's jump back in. You can actually just go to elements here and then I can just type in something like weight loss, search, and then see whatever it has. Okay, so it does have some photos. Now some of these are, again, you have to pay for them like that, but you can try to find one that you don't have to pay for. Okay, so I found one right here that's a scale. I can just click that and then I can just drag it to make it, fit the image. Okay, now the banner is really not that important. Don't spend a lot of time on this. You just want something speaking to whatever the channel is, and then you can just click share right here and then just go to download and download that. Now on your new channel, you want to upload that right there, and obviously you want to name the channel something related to the niche. Could be health, fitness, and nutrition. It could be weight loss for you, anything related. And then you want to create a profile photo right here, and you can do that just by going to Google, and then you can just go to Google Images, and you can obviously just search in something like weight loss here, and then you can just find one of these images and use it as your profile photo. So now that the channel is basically created, how can we start posting these videos that will drive clicks to our affiliate link to make sales without even having to create these videos ourselves? Well, if you go over to YouTube Help, you'll see that YouTube actually has a license called Creative Commons. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, but Creative Commons is basically where users can upload their video on YouTube and mark it as the Creative Commons license, giving us the ability to actually reuse this. You can see right here, Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. So how do we actually find videos that have the Creative Commons license that we can re-upload and start to get massive clicks to our link even while we're sleeping? All you have to do is go over to YouTube and type in a word or two that has to do with the niche your product is in. So in this case, weight loss, and then just go ahead and search this here. Now, once it searches, you'll see all these different videos, but some of these videos are not Creative Commons. So we want to go to filters and we want to actually select Creative Commons. This is going to list all the videos that have that license. So what you want to do is you want to look for videos that are very popular. They have a lot of views because that means the video was very valuable and people liked it. So when we actually reuse other people's videos that have Creative Commons, we want to use videos that are valuable. So we can actually use this one right here, for example, right? This is a guy that got 102,000 views. Now, the fact that it's 5 years old is really irrelevant because when we post it, it's going to be new again. So all you have to do if you find someone's video that's in the Creative Commons, now stay tuned because in a sec, I'll reveal the secret strategy top affiliates use to make passive income effortlessly. But before that, you can actually just right-click the video and copy link address. Now, once you copy the link address, we now need to download this video. So all you have to do is actually go over to a free site like savefrom.net and just paste in that YouTube video here and click download. Now, what happens is this will generate a download link so we can save this to our desktop or our phone. So just go ahead and click download and it will download automatically. Now, once you download this video, you could literally just re-upload it to your channel, but I recommend you making it slightly unique. That way it stands out and that way you can actually get people going to the link in your video. So to do that, you can go back to Canva, the free site, and then just search in video. And what you can do is you can actually select video here, and this is going to allow us to literally edit videos. So just go ahead and click create blank, and this will take us to this template here. So the very first step is we want to import the video that we just downloaded. So just go to uploads here and then just click upload files. Okay, so once you upload, you just want to click on it and it will automatically add to this page here. And we want to recenter this so it fills the entire video. Now, this is only 5 seconds by default. We want to make sure it's the entire video. So you can just click here and drag all the way to the end of the video. Okay, just like that. And you can see now this is the full video. Now, we just want to add a page by clicking in the bottom right, and we want to drag this to the front. So you can see right here, if I go to the beginning, we now have this page here. Now, what I recommend you do is you add a heading and you say something that will capture people's attention before the video. This is making the video unique and also adding to the amount of people that will keep watching. So if we go back to the video, we can see right here that it's about weight loss versus fat loss. Okay, so we can say something like that in our video. So I can say like this in the intro: what is the difference between weight loss and fat loss? And then we don't want to pique people's interest to get them to keep watching. So I can say, keep watching for the shocking secret. So that's going to get people to want to keep watching. We can resize this like that, and I can make this, formatted a little bit better, just like that. And boom. So now if we play it, it shows that intro for a second, and then it goes into the video. Now, one last thing, and this is how we're going to start making money. We want to go to the very end, and we want to click add page again in the bottom right, and now we want to give a call to action. We want to add another headline, and we want to tell people to click the link below for the #1 way to lose weight, or the #1 way to make money, or whatever niche you're in. So I can say, do you want to learn the fastest way to lose weight? Click the link below for my top method. And then you can just resize this, drag this in the middle, and if you want to reformat it like this. So now when it ends, it will actually play that. So this is going to get people to click the first link directly below in the description. Now, once you've created this video, just go to share and then just go to download. Now, this step right here is crucial, but you'll want to also stick around towards the end of the video to uncover a little known method to boost your sales with zero investment. Now, the last step is to upload this video onto our channel. So just go to the top where it says create and click that there and just click upload video. Then once this pop-up appears, just click select file and then choose the video that you downloaded. Okay, so first off, we want to add a title. Now, to add a title, we want to use specific keywords that will get the best chance of our videos ranking and people seeing it. So again, we want to think about what this video is about. It's about losing inches, fat loss, not weight loss. So all you have to do is go to YouTube and type in a few words relating to the topic, how to lose fat. So you can see as you type in a keyword, YouTube will start giving you other words. Now, we want to use whatever YouTube gives us because that means it's popular. So how to lose fat, and you can actually actually look, or I could add in, weight loss to see if it gives us any more. How to lose belly fat without weight loss. So that could actually be a great title for our video. So I can just copy that, go here, paste that in, and then we can add some clickbait, must see. Now, all you have to do for the description is just use this template here. So it basically is giving the first sentence, which is related to the video. Then it's telling them a call to action with our affiliate link. This is how we'll start getting people going to it and buying and make money. And then a video credit. So this is giving us the ability to be safe when it comes to the Creative Commons. Just copy this right here, go back to the description and paste that in. So again, click here to discover the best way to lose weight. Your affiliate link, we just go back here, get our affiliate link and paste that in. For the video credit, okay, we need to find this video again. Okay, this one right here. So I can just open this up here. Okay, and we just want to copy the title so we can give it credit. Go back here and then just put the title there. Where it says by channel name, we just want to give credit to the channel name. And then original video URL, we just want to give credit by copying the URL of this video and then just pasting it in right here. And there we have it. Now, one other thing you can do is you can actually create a thumbnail. Okay, you can just go back to Canva and then just type in YouTube thumbnail. And you can simply create a thumbnail based on these templates. So just click that in there and then you can actually, edit this text right here. So you could say, weight loss secrets you should know, okay? And then just download that and then you can upload it as the thumbnail. And then last but not least, for the tag, you can actually just type in some words that have to do with it. So lose weight fast, belly fat, okay, things like that. And then just go ahead and go through the process and then post it. Now, you want to stay consistent, okay? Post at least a couple of videos per week. They will start ranking and you will start getting clicks to your affiliate link for months, if not years to come, making you tons of money with this easy strategy. Now, before you go, like I said, I highly recommend you click the first link below. Check out my #1 affiliate program. It literally will pay you instant 100% commissions. You don't have to wait a long time to get paid. You don't have to give a portion away to the product creator. You can make the sales and keep all the money using this powerful method. So be sure to subscribe also with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. Hit the like button if you got value. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching and I will see you on my next stream.